Hi everyone, welcome back to Channeling Luxury. These are 2 more pieces for 23S. I've lost track of what video we're on, I think maybe 5 or 6. So I'll be trying on these jeans and this jumpsuit. So we'll try them together and see what you think. All right everybody, so these are the pants, the jeans. They do come in blue and black. They have a light sheen to them. Belt buckle here. I was messing around with it and put it in incorrectly, but it just connects here and then through the bottom. And I love the silhouette of these jeans. They're really lightweight. They think they look really nice on the body. Nice pocket, yay. And the way they're shaped, I think just makes the body slender. Elongates the leg a bit. Now I'm gonna have to have these tailored if I were to pick them up, obviously, but I think overall these are definitely some of the best pants I've seen out of Chanel in a while. So for me, these are a 2 thumbs up. So I'll try the next one. All right, so this is the jumpsuit. I have to admit that my daughter and I could not figure out how the heck this button even works. Maybe one more button we can get, sort of, yeah, maybe. And then another one will attach here. Anyway, regardless, for me, this is a no. I like the soft plaid. I like the pockets. I actually really like the shape on the body, on the pants here. But as you can see, even with a shirt underneath, it's just a little bit much. And for me, because I'm not tall enough, I don't think it's very flattering. But you can see the color. It's actually really beautiful. You can zoom in on the color. And the detail of it is really nice. And the tweed is very, very lightweight, which for me, I'm just such a sucker for. But unfortunately, the fit to me is not so good. And good luck getting it on and off. So I think that will wrap up this video. Thank you for watching and love to know your comments.